Hello everyone, welcome to the Blind Chef by Chef Solly. Today we're going to make two Seabream dishes from one fish. We will use the head part and bone to make the stock. So we will take only two fillets with skin. You can see I never put the knife blade against my hand. So I put the knife underneath my hand and I push towards to the tail end of the fish. Now the bone we'll put in the stock. We'll keep the fish in the chiller, the fillets in the chiller. Red capsicum to make the sauce. We will roast it alone first. Then we'll take out and roast again with the garlic and pine seed. This time I like to try with the skin. That's why I cut and roasting. Normally we can roast it whole bell pepper, and then we'll remove the skin and seeds. We'll roast it alone first, then we'll take out and we'll add the garlic and pine seed. Now this onion for the stock. Normally in the stocks we put some vegetable like onion, carrot, celery, some leeks. This carrot is for the carrot puree. We're making two dishes. One Seabream with red pepper sauce and some fennel, and the another with carrot puree and some watercress and grilled cauliflower, roasted cauliflower. So our vegetables is ready. I'm adding some bay leaves, thyme, and some peppercorn. Let it boil. Now this cauliflower for the second Seabream dish. This Seabream we making with roasted cauliflower and carrot puree and some watercress. We'll put some salt and pepper and we'll roast it with some fish stock. Add a little bit of fish stock. This garlic and pine seed we're going to add into the roasting capsicum and we'll roast it in the low heat. We'll add the garlic and some pine seeds. We'll put on top with low heat. Now we need to remove the fish bones. We'll check the cauliflower. It's smelling roasted. By touch also it's done. Now we'll turn off the oven. Now this garlic and thyme to pan fry the seabream. So we'll season with salt and pepper. We will cook two fillets in two pans. So I will add garlic and thyme in pan and then we'll put the oil. The pan is getting hot. Stir in the herbs so all the flavor will go in the garlic and thyme. Now we'll put the fish, the skin side first and little bit press. So this will help to cook fish evenly everywhere. That's why we're pressing a little bit. Otherwise the fish will bend and some part will not cook nicely and some part will not be crispy. Now we'll take out the roasted capsicum and we'll blend it. Some of the capsicum are burnt. We'll take the good ones only. Also we'll add some fish stock to blend it. If it's not fine, we'll blend again. The smell is good. Can blend a little bit more. We'll transfer into a small bowl. We need this blender jar to make the carrot puree. So we'll wash and we'll make the carrot puree. To make the carrot puree, we'll add some salt and pepper, some butter, and a touch of cream, fresh cream. So we add the salt and some black pepper, and we'll put some butter, almost 1 spoon, 1 teaspoon. We'll check for the cream, fresh cream. We'll add a touch, not too much. That's enough. Now we'll blend this. Once it blend well, we'll put through a strainer. This way we can avoid the big chunks of carrot pieces while doing plating. The taste is perfect. Have all the flavor of the fish even. Now we'll check the fish. We'll reduce the fire a little bit.
Cauliflower is ready. Lemon wedge is ready.
Now we can start plating because the fish is almost ready. The sauces and puree is ready. We need to make the chef fennel only. We'll take the fish and we'll start the plating. First we go with the red pepper sauce and fennel. We'll put the sauce. Now we'll shave some fennel. Now we'll slice some fennel in the mandolin. Once it's ready, we'll add salt, pepper, olive oil, and lemon, and some bay leaves and some parsley. So some parsley, and bay leaves, olive oil, put some lemon juice. Mix it well, and we'll put in the center. Now we'll take the fish. Put the fish, and then one lemon wedge, and then we'll start plating the next one. We'll put the carrot puree, then the roasted cauliflower, to give some crunchy freshness. We'll put some watercress. So watercress, carrot puree, roasted cauliflower, and the fish all together. It will be really nice. We'll put one lemon wedge and some malt and salt on top of the fish. Done. Two Seabream dishes from one fish. One Seabream with the red pepper sauce and fennel. Another with carrot puree, roasted cauliflower, and some watercress. Thanks for watching. See you on next video.